Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles and welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today we're going to be talking about some resources both within Stata and online that are available to you if you know what command you're supposed to be writing, but you're not quite sure the exact syntax and you're plugging things in, but Stata is still giving you an error. So let's say we're talking about the regression command. So I've tried a bunch of different ways of using reg. They're still not working. So I can go into the command window here and I can type help regress, and it's going to open up this nice window right here. And this is going to tell you the command. So we're talking about regress. So it's going to give you the command. So we're talking about the regression command, and then it's going to give you the basic syntax. So this is regress dependent variable, independent variable, if, in, wait, and options, where these brackets indicate that you don't necessarily need everything, but you could. And then if we keep scrolling down, you will see some examples. These are still some explanations of the different options. And here is some examples. So here's miles per gallon on, weight, and foreign. Here's a new variable. Here's obtain beta coefficients, so comma beta. Here's how to not have a constant and all sorts of useful things about that. Now, if we go online, we've got a couple helpful resources that I will post in the description below. This is a website I really like. It's by UCLA, and it gives you some different modules and some different things to do in Stata and gives you some really nice examples that are simple. So I really like this site a lot. You also have these Stata cheat sheets. So I just, for instance, Googled Stata cheat sheet and images. And if I pull one of these up, you can see that it's got a whole cheat sheet on data processing, data transformation, graphics, data visualizations, all sorts of good things there. The reason why I'm showing you these resources is sometimes when you do a blanket Google, you can get a lot of results, and not all of those results are helpful. Sometimes it's people who are asking questions, and it's people answering who don't necessarily know that that answer actually worked. So anytime you're on Google or none of these sites, just make sure you're paying attention to see whether the person who asked the question actually got help. So hopefully this gives you a couple extra resources besides these videos to help you through your Stata struggles. If it was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next week for another Sunday Stata tip.